The Goldcrest, often hailed as the world's smallest bird, is a marvel of nature that deserves our admiration and protection. With its vibrant yellow crown and delicate song, this tiny avian gem adds a touch of wonder to our woodlands and gardens. However, the Goldcrest is increasingly threatened by habitat loss and climate change. By fostering diverse ecosystems and supporting conservation efforts, we can ensure that the future generations experience the joy of watching these exquisite creatures flit through the trees. Join the movement to protect our wildlife. Every action counts, and the Goldcrest is counting on us.